So this is the on-the-air test, the CRT S-Mini. This appears to be the late version. I understand there's an early version because Mark ZX2, who's out there, has said so. Now they're going to call in. They're 7 miles away at the moment, and they'll be talking to us as they come nearer to base. As usual, these tests are the wrong side of a hill here, purposely, so that the radios perform at their worst. This is one of those radios that actually does a full 4 watts, which is quite remarkable for a new set. I'll see if they're out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie ZX2, do you copy? Yeah, Tango 21, what's your location? Roger on that. Okay, I've got you okay, so you're about 7.5 miles away. The radio we fitted in Mr. ZX2's car seems to have a crackly mic lead. And I've told him about this for months. So we've got the radio on manual squelch because it has a preset or an auto setting. In the UK, which we're set to, it's FM for the UK set of channels, flick it to AM, and it goes over to EU set of 40 channels. And up down there, instant channel 9, instant channel 19, and the centre position switch brings you back to where you were. So there's 9, it flashes, 31, and it flashes, and there we go. So no meter or anything like that, but it's a set that actually works. And we managed to get 0.3 microvolts out of it on the test set. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, how are you doing? Oh dear, we're struggling with that mic.
Yeah, Roger.
That was better this time.
Right, yeah, we're just going around the roundabout Coningsby.
Did you buy anything?
Yeah, we've got plenty for you.
Oh, good!
I managed to get a handle for the Marshall type amplifiers.
So you're very impressed.
Yeah, very busy rally today actually.
Well, possibilities there's less rallies and more people attending the ones that there are.
Yeah, Roger. Just going across Rauceby level crossing now.
Okay then, so you're on the way back from Radio Rally and you bought me some tat and I'm reading you loud and clear.
Roger, we'll carry on.
Seeing as I work for the Church of England, I was unable, with it being a Sunday, to do anything this morning Radio Rally wise, and ZX2 and Mr. Chippie have been to a Radio Rally.
Just passing the turn for Grayling.
Got you loud and clear. I can't even speak. The Grayleys turning.
Correct.
So they're in Mark's car. It's got a Springer on it, full length, and he's got a Kernow Beta 1100, which of course has been set up properly, so we know that it is spot on. So between the 3 test vehicles, they're more or less the same.
Tango 21, just passing the Kelby level crossing there.
Roger, I've got you at the Kelby level crossing, loud and clear. You should now be about 4.5 miles away from us, and as I say, the wrong side of a hill.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, just going around the scratch
Right, that's loud and clear. I'm now going to switch this radio to auto squelch.
Roger. That's probably the clearest I've ever heard it through here.
And it just goes to show, as I was saying to the viewers, you're on a Kernow Beta 1100, which is a bottom of the range radio, and this CRT S-Mini, at the end of the day, is a bottom of the range radio, and it works fantastically. And we put some of these really expensive sets on, and they don't work that well.
That's a Rauceby.
So now I'll be climbing to the top of the hill, and he should be calling me from about 2 miles away when he gets there. So it should be absolutely romping in. I've got no mod at that point, so can you just rekey? I know that mic stuff. Oh dear, it looks like we've lost you. Yes, a bit broken, but you're there.
Yeah, we're holding on to the lead, and it looks like we've got internet on that.
And if I tell you that leads are about twice as much as mics these days. No, you better hold it where it was before.
How's that?
Got you? Yeah, where are you?
Lancaster Crossroads now.
Excellent. I can see a new mic going on that radio. Mind you, knowing Mark, he didn't pay much for it, and
Right, Tango 21 is passing Lancaster service station.
okay, I've got the loud and clear this time, and just give me a final call when you come down the lane towards Tango Towers. So there you have it. S-Mini's working great, his Beta 1100 is working great, which is more than can be said for the microphone on it.
Just coming down the lane.
Okay then, I will come out and see you. Thank you very much for the test. Tango 21 out.